Hello everyone, welcome to the tutorial masterclass. Alright guys, think getting paid for YouTube Shorts is as simple as uploading a 15-second clip? Think again. In 2025, YouTube's new monetization rules are stricter, smarter, and designed to reward real creators, not lazy AI bots or copy-paste channels. If you're serious about earning from Shorts this year, watch until the end. One small mistake can get you demonetized. Part 1, Basic Eligibility. Let's start with the basics. To be eligible for YouTube Shorts monetization in 2025, you must be part of the YouTube Partner Program. That means 1,000 subscribers and other 4,000 valid public watch hours or 10 million Shorts views in the last 90 days. But it doesn't stop there. YouTube now checks if your Shorts actually offer value, no AI slop or repetitive templates. Part 2, What's Not Allowed. New policy alert. Starting July 15, 2025, YouTube won't monetize Shorts that are fully AI generated with no human input, mass-produced with repetitive templates, using stock footage plus AI voice plus zero editing or storytelling. If your content feels robotic or reused without creativity, YouTube will block it from monetization. Part 3, What is allowed? Now here's the good part. AI can help as long as there's human transformation. That means your own voice or narration, custom editing and visuals, creative storytelling, commentary, or insights. YouTube wants you in the content. If it feels personal, engaging, and original, it's safe to monetize. Part 4, How Shorts Make Money. YouTube now runs ads between Shorts, and creators earn a cut of the revenue based on watch time and contribution to the Shorts feed. It's pooled revenue, but creators who drive engagement earn more. Plus, you can still earn from super thanks, channel memberships, affiliate links in the description. And Part 5, Monetization Strategy in 2025. To win in 2025, you need to treat Shorts like mini movies. Hook your viewers in the first 2 seconds. Add your voice, custom footage, and edits. Share tips, tell stories, or teach something quickly. YouTube is rewarding value, not volume. Recap and final tips, get into the partner program. Avoid low-effort, AI-only content. Show your voice and creativity. Use Shorts to grow and monetize smarter. Shorts are powerful, but only when you do them right. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe to the Tutorial Masterclass YouTube channel for everyday tutorials on YouTube growth. Drop a comment. Have you started earning from Shorts yet? Let's talk strategy down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
I'm full-time YouTuber, living my dream, can't lose. 500 million songs just like Mr. Beast. I'm full-time YouTuber, yeah.